Well guys, welcome back to CountyLine TV. We're giving away a BMW. I'll link the video right here. Just got done loading up the Corvette on the trailer. We're getting ready to go to the Riverside Matsuri. Except I woke up today and my phone screen won't light up. My phone will make noise that even like makes the little clicky sound when I unlock it. And if I get messages or calls or anything, it blings, it rings. Screen won't light up, so I gotta try and take care of that before I go to the track, but we'll see you at the track. Unfortunately, I am gonna be phoneless for the weekend. I'm gonna try not to let it get to me too bad. I'm just gonna go have fun, be myself, run the cameras as much as I can, and just enjoy the weekend. And I'll see you guys at the track. I'm going to affectionately call this the two-pump chump method. I failed tech. If you guys remember that time that I cut the door bar out to fit the seat better, and then I was like, yeah, I'll finish cutting that door bar later, and I never did. Well, I failed tech over it, so I had to finish trimming it down. So she's all trimmed up now. But that's actually the first time since like, God, I don't even remember when that I've actually failed a tech inspection. But she's all fixed up now. And then I had to go back down and pass tech, but I think I'm gonna do a pit walk here in a little bit for you guys. Just see all the different cars that showed up today. It's getting pretty stacked. Driver's meeting, I don't know what time it is, but driver's meeting hasn't even happened yet, and there's a lot of people here already. So driver's meeting time.
For anyone who drove this last time, we took out all of the concrete walls except for these two right here. That being said, there's tractor tires behind the grandstands where there was a wall. So if you hit that, you're still gonna probably pick the car up and you can probably roll it over. So I would avoid hitting that in some funky manner. I'm gonna have him drive this so you guys can see it. If you're up there where you can't see, you can come down here and stand on the wall.
So I did a pull after tech and the car breaks up. So we're actually about to hook up HP tuners and do a data log run, just a pull to redline, and see if it's leaning out or what it's doing. Maybe we're getting a bad, like inconsistent reading from a camera crank sensor, but we're gonna find out. I'll take you guys along for that ride. I hate this though. I'd rather my car just work. We're about to do our first data log. This is gonna be a straight line pull. bad that I knew it would do it. All right, hang on, it's about to get spicy.
Yeah, we're good. Dude, that looked really healthy here.
Are you serious?
No.
Oh. What are you seeing?
Well, let me save this. All right. Let's see. Injector duty cycle is good. RPMs, air mass. Maps open, knock retard.
Better?
No.
No?
Would you like me to do another pull?
Wait for, yeah, go ahead.
So we did determine that, you know, it was pretty easy too. It was like as soon as he hit log, it was like, oh hey, guess what? But my passenger bank O2 sensor is bad. And I was looking in here, and I'm actually pretty sure that I only have 2 O2 sensors on this car, period. And I know the one on my passenger side, which I thought was my downstream because it's down underneath the car, has the wires ripped out, but evidently that's my only one on the passenger side. So I'm thinking that I need to fix the wiring for my passenger O2 sensor, unfortunately. So I guess I'm gonna jack the car up and let it continue cooling down and see what I can figure out from there. Oh snap! Looks like you made it out all right on that. So we just got, after like working on the car for like 5 hours, we finally got a new O2 sensor in it. We're about to do our first pull. It pulled all the way to red line.
Yeah, it did.
I'm gonna turn this off because the line's kind of long.
We gotta close at 11. It's 10:55.
I just got my O2 sensor wired up.
We gotta shut down at 11.
I'm like praying it's fixed.
It's fixed.
Oh, it's
It's fast. God.